Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. So as you've seen by the title, I am going to be doing this gorgeous eyeshadow look with me using the Juvia's Place new Culture eyeshadow palette with their new Culture Duochrome liquid eyeshadows. And I just really want to thank Juvia's Place for sponsoring today's video because and I also want to thank you guys for always watching me and supporting me, and just Juvia's Place, like what, like we're just gonna get started with this whole entire makeup look. So for the base, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. concealer, and everything that I'm mentioning in this video will be listed down below. So I'm just gonna take about this much. I would blend it out with my finger, but I got my nails on, so I'm just gonna take my sponge just to have a nice canvas to start on. And the first shade I'm going to be going in with is 𝐔𝐄𝐓𝐒, which is this bright orange color. I'm just taking this type of brush, then I'm gonna dab it in, top off the excess, and start right here and just tap it in before blending. I'm just gonna go back and forth with the color a few times just to make sure that it'll be very pigmented. And towards right here, I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm just gonna take some e.l.f. concealer and just put some on the back of my hand so I can get ready to do this style right here. I'm just going to be taking this cut crease type of brush. And that's how you do like a really easy type of cut crease. So all you gotta do is put some in the center, then look up, then you can just follow this right here. And now I'm going to be taking Taraba, which is this rich green color right here. And I'm just going to be taking this type of brush. The concealer creased up a little bit, so I'm just gonna dab it with a sponge. Then I'm gonna go in with this brush right here and go back to the orange color and just fix it right here since I did make it a little bit too high. I'm just gonna go back and forth with it a couple of times just to get my desired look. This is looking so good. I'm so excited on how this is gonna turn out. For the next shade, I'm gonna take 𝐼, which is this really shimmery, yellowy, shimmery green type of color. And before I even dip my brush in the eyeshadow, I'm going to be wetting it first with some setting spray because it'll make the eyeshadow pop even more since it is like a really shimmery, pretty color. Make sure to apply 𝐼 all over Taraba with a wet brush. You don't have to use a setting spray, you can just use water. But yeah, this really makes 𝐼 pop out a lot. And I'm gonna just let that dry for a little bit. It's not really wet, I really just wanna make sure that it really settles in into the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna go back in with this brush and just make sure everything is blended out. And with this duo fiber blending brush, I'm going to be taking Naira Land and just do that tap off the excess, and I'm going to be blending it right here. Not too far up to where it's going to touch my eyebrow, but I am going to be trying to, you know, give it more of a sunset type of look. Now for my favorite part for the eye makeup look, I'm going to be going in with the Juvia's Place liquid eyeshadow in the shade Fula, I think it's Fula. This is so pretty. As you can see right here, it gives like a nice blue type of hue to the eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, let me just put it all over. Now I'm just cleaning on the sides of the eyeshadow so it can be more of a wing type of look. For the foundation and everything, I'm just going to prime my face. I'm gonna color correct because I pretty much want this look to be really full coverage and just focus on the vibrant eyeshadow, and it turned out way better than I thought. I'm just gonna go in with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Stromboli. Take a few pumps on the back of my hand. I'm just gonna go in with the same concealer that I used for the base of the eyeshadow. I'm just going to be taking my e.l.f. Putty Blush in the color Turks and Caicos. I'm going to set everything together, and I'm going to start off with the under eyes, of course. And I'm just going to be taking my Maybelline loose powder, and it's in the shade Light. And I'm just going to apply it with this powder puff. While I'm letting that set, I'm just gonna apply my bronzer, and I'm just gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in the color 360 Mocha with this Pro Sculptor brush. And I really want this look to be very bronzy, since this is like a culture type of look, tropical type of look. I want to give it an island type of vibes too. So this is gonna look so amazing once I'm finished. And then I'm gonna just clean it up right here so my contour can look a little bit more sharp. the blush, I am going to be using the 𝐿𝐶 palette because there's so many different bright colors that I can use. And there's a few different pinks that will be perfect for blush. Just gonna go in with Benin and mix it with Calabari. These are really pigmented, so I really want to be careful to not add too much. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Yeah, that's all that I need for blush right now. So I'm just gonna blend it out. So you can really use this palette for multiple things like blush, eyeshadow, highlight, so many different things. And I am going to be going in with highlight with one of the eyeshadows too. Back to the eyes, I am going to be using the Taraba color again, and I may go in with 𝐼𝐹 as well. For the inner corner, I believe I want to use Shauna or 𝐼𝐿𝐒. 𝐼𝐿𝐒 is really pretty, so I might go in with that one or just mix both of them together. And just to open my eyes up a bit, I am going to be taking my Essence Extreme Lasting Waterproof Eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with Naraland and mix it with Taraba. For the highlight, I am going to be taking 𝐼𝐿𝐒. This is a really pretty nice highlight color. And I'm gonna add it right here. And it's not too much. Ooh, it's like a nice highlight that's not too harsh, but still gives a nice glow to the base. I fell in love with this palette. It's so pretty, and you can do so many different things with this palette. And I'll put some on my forehead a little bit. Nice glow, a little bit on my chin. And I'm gonna add some on the tip of my nose, on the bridge. Now it's time for the mascara and the lashes, and I am going to be applying the mascara on camera, but for the lashes, I'm gonna do that off camera. I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I have my eyelashes on now and everything. Ooh, and my bottom mascara. I'm just gonna go in with my NYX lip liner in the shade London. I want a little bit of pop of color, so I am gonna go in with this 𝐿𝐶 lip liner in the shade Dusty Rose. And I'm gonna go on with this Maybelline Lifter Gloss. I don't want the lips to look matte with this look because the eyes are very shiny, and I feel like the lips and the eyes should kind of match. So I'm gonna go in with this. Then really quick, I did add this lip gloss on top too, since the gold one was kind of too, like a little bit dark for the lips. So yeah, this looks way better. The last step for this whole entire look, I am gonna go in with setting spray just to set everything in place. this is the final makeup look with me using the Juvia's Place Culture eyeshadow palette with their Duochrome liquid eyeshadows, and I'm absolutely loving this entire look. Like, everything came out so perfect. The eyeshadows are very easy to blend, they're very pigmented, and they just have like the best bright colors in their palette, and it's just so gorgeous. And I also love the meaning behind this palette as well. So 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10, honestly, 12 out of 10. Like, this is too good, and everything came out perfect. And it was so unexpected too, because I wasn't planning this, but it just came out better than I thought, and I just love this palette so much. And if you guys recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram. It's Symphony Taylor. I'll leave it right here for you guys, because you guys really need to try out this look. It's perfect for the spring and summertime, vacation time. This is giving me vacation vibes as well. So yeah, I really love this whole entire look. And if you guys enjoy this look, please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. It means so much to me. And click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? So yeah, make sure you guys go check out Juvia's Place. I'll leave their description down below, and including the Culture collection. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name. And I'll see you guys in my next video.